New games in Cash Giraffe don't automatically pay more than older ones, because earnings depend on tracking performance and game activity, rather than release date. By the end, you'll know how new games actually affect your earnings, which types usually perform best, and how to choose games that get you rewards faster. Start with a key fact. Cash Giraffe doesn't label games as new equals better earnings. Now explain what that means. A newly added game can pay the same, more or less than older games depending on how the reward tracking is set up. Now explain the real factor. The real difference comes from how the app assigns coin rewards per minute or per session inside each game. Now explain what users should focus on. Instead of chasing new releases, the smarter move is picking games that consistently track your playtime without glitches. Now explain a common mistake. Many users switch to new games thinking they will earn faster, but they end up losing progress because tracking resets per game. Now explain how earnings actually build. Most progress in Cash Giraffe comes from uninterrupted gameplay sessions that stay fully active inside supported games. Now, explain stability. Games that run smoothly without crashing or forcing frequent reloads tend to give more reliable track time. Now explain why performance matters. If a game interrupts tracking, your session may not register correctly, which slows down coin accumulation. Now explain selection strategy. The best approach is choosing games that your device can run smoothly, rather than focusing on what's newly added. Now explain consistency. Sticking to one or two stable games usually builds rewards faster than constantly switching to new releases. Now explain optimization. Long, continuous sessions in a stable game environment are more effective than short sessions across multiple new games. Now summarize the core idea. New Cash Giraffe games are not automatically better for earnings. Consistent tracking and smooth gameplay matter more than release date. And sticking to stable games usually leads to faster and more reliable coin growth. One practical next step. Open Cash Giraffe, test one new game, and one stable older game, for the same session length. Then compare which one tracks your time more consistently. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more Cash Giraffe breakdowns that focus on what actually affects earnings, instead of assumptions about new releases.